So today we are at Crayola. Just like what I tell you guys, you know, being a business owner is one of the most amazing thing, because we chose our time. We come here on Thursday, and right now at Crayola, because of COVID too, there is barely anyone here. It's very safe for my kids to play. While me and my husband Sys is doing some business related stuff, and you can see my kids is coloring. Troy, you want to say hi?
Hi.
And then that's what they are working on, and then let's see where Alex is at. So you can see they have amazing food, not too expensive. There are a bunch of toys right here. We still have to have a mask on. That's Alex. Alex, you want to say hi?
I do.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
So you can wander off. You can see there's nobody here. What they do is they draw, and then they put it onto one of those scanners right there. And the people or the car will show up. And this is one of Alex's favorite. Zoom in real quick, see what they do. Hi, so this is me. Put on my mask real quick. This is Phyllis again. We have put out a video about work-life balance last week, and we're doing one right now as we speak. So for Crayola, they obviously have discounts. I love discounts. So this membership is only, I can't remember how much it is, but we come here at least 3 times a year, which I think it makes sense. And again, just like what you see, my kids, he's playing. She said that we come more than that. I do agree with it. It depends on our schedule.
Yes.
There you go, my husband right there.
Take my mask off. So hey everybody, again, this is a really great tip for you. Crayola, just like Legoland. Last week we gave you a tip to go to Legoland. Again, this is, for us, it's all about work, life, relationship, family, integration into our lives. And Crayola is another place that's really good for you to, utilize as a resource. So again, being resourceful, you can run your business, you can meet with your partner, you can hang out with your wife, you can see the children. It's safe. You got my big guys running around over there. There's my little guys over here, drawing, and we are working on our tablets and our computers. And then most importantly, it's safe. There's somebody guarded the door over there just in case the kids get lost. And then we just plant ourselves in an area where they know where we're at, and they can always come back here. They got food here if we wanted to eat, something like that. It's right outside the mall, so if we really wanted to go outside and eat, we can. But this is one of the things where we used to work right inside of our, our office all the time and things like that. And just to get out, let your brain kind of expand a little bit, and you get to, mix, basically integrate all the areas that's really most important in your life all together, all in one area. So we'll spend about 4 hours here. By the time they're done, they're exhausted. So when we get home, they get a chance to sleep early, so we can spend more time with each other as well. So we do this once or twice a week, something like this. But again, Crayola is another area. If you have something like that in your area, wherever you are running businesses or running your life, I would highly recommend something like this. So that's this week's tip, guys. Crayola. I think, what's the membership fee here? What's the membership fee? It's like,
I don't know,
$100 a year or something like that. Yeah,
it's much less than that, I think.
Yeah, less than that. We come here. She said 3 times this year. Well, this year 3 times because of virus. But other than that, every other year. Before that, I think we come here at least close to once a month or even twice a month. So because the kids love it, and we love it because they get to do their thing and we get to do ours. So again, that's our tip.
Yes, and I love it. And by the way, I just got a call from my son. He asked me to go there. While I'm walking there, I'm gonna show you guys what this is. This is a Crayola in Plano. And if you guys are checking it out, you know, there's melt and mold, there's drip art, you know, there's a kaleidoscope, you know, there's a big playground right here. You know, there is this activity studio where you actually draw a picture with the melted crayon. And my son wanted me to go there because he wants me to see, you know, the pictures that he is making. This is called Your Design Center, and which is really cool. You know, you just draw the stuff and then scan it in, and he also give you, you know, it also give you Play-Doh to play with. They also have a museum, so for you to get to know, you know, what is the Crayola history, and they just have a ton of stuff, right? So here it encourage the kids to play, and I think my son is just uploaded the video. This is the picture that he made, and now we are waiting for it to show up. Where is it, baby? Where is it? Look, he's like so excited right now. Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Where are you at?
The Crayola.
Who do you love the most? Who do you love the most?
What do you mean?
Who do you love the most in the world?
Oh.
Is that how you're supposed to say it? Can you say it in a more loving way?
Oh.
Alright, so let's see.
Where is my car? Not here.
Where is the car? Let's see.
Not even appearing on the show.
Oh, I think it's coming up. I think it's coming up. Is it?
No, mine was lower. Not that one. Mine was lower. And I didn't color it either. I didn't even color it there.
There you go. It's coming. Yep, that one. The one that's driving so crazy right now. Wow.
This one?
Yeah, is it?
No.
No? What? I don't know where it goes.
Colored it orange.
Oh well. Alright, so again, you know, don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment below. You know, we're gonna put some kid stuff here. Pretty soon, you know, we're gonna be designing Alex to have a channel itself, because he's really good at teaching his brother how to put the clothes on, doing math, and so on and so forth. And he say he wants to be a YouTuber. So, you know, hey, smash the like and subscribe button, and make sure that you get the notification so that we can give you more tips and more location. And we're gonna go in DFW area. And again, we are in Crayola in Plano. Membership is awesome because we always bring them here, and we can actually do our business and at the same time feeling safe for our kids to roam around with our walkies. All right, so thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Make sure you love yourself, relax, and you know, have an amazing life. Tell your husband, your kids, your wife, I love you. Bye bye.